Ever tried affirmations but felt like they don't work for you? Well, maybe you are doing them wrong. But don't worry, today I will show you how to create your own powerful affirmations in just 5 minutes. Ones that actually work for you. Ready? Let's go. So hello beautiful people, I'm Khushi. Welcome back to It's Your Cup of Tea, where I help you to level up, to vibe better in the shimmery world and talk about all the important topics we all need to know. So if you like to know all the important topics, then hit the subscribe button for yourself. Okay, let's be real. We all want to manifest our best lives. More money, love, happiness, confidence, and affirmations are the secret too that successful people use every single day. But generic affirmations don't always feel personal, right? That's why I'm going to help you create your own affirmations that feel natural, powerful, and effective. Step 1. Identify what you want to change. Ask yourself what's stopping you. Maybe it's self-doubt, fear of failure, or lack of confidence. Write it down. Step 2. Flip the script. If you think I'm not good at making money, change it to I attract money effortlessly. If you feel I don't have confidence, reframe it to I radiate confidence and people love my energy. Boom, that's your affirmation. Step 3. Make it present and powerful. Your affirmations should always be in the present tense. Instead of saying I will be successful, say I am successful and opportunities flow to me easily. Feel the difference. Step 4. Repeat, feel and believe. Now say it out loud with energy. Don't just read it, feel it. Let it sink into your subconscious mind. Pro tip: write your affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you will see them daily. Okay, now the pro tip, or you can say the alternative one. I have made a video on how ChatGPT is your best friend. तो बस फिर ChatGPT को ही पूछ लेते हैं if you feel the above steps are not your cup of tea. तो ChatGPT करना है, but prompt proper देने पड़ेंगे guys. Let's see how. अब अगर आपको मनी मैनिफेस्ट करना है, फर्स्टली हैव वन फिगर, कोई भी एक अमाउंट यू वांट टू हैव फर्स्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल 20 lakh rupees in 6 months. Then just give a prompt to ChatGPT that make an powerful affirmation for myself by which I can manifest 20 lakh rupees in 6 months. And that's it. बस हो गया. अब अगर यू वांट समथिंग डिफरेंट तो बस ऐसे ही प्रॉम्प्ट देने हैं जो आपको मॉडिफिकेशन करना है. दैट विल बी डन. You just have to think as if you are talking or chatting with your best friend. So the prompts will automatically flow. Okay? Now here's your challenge. Comment below one powerful affirmation you are going to use daily. And if you need help, just drop a star icon in the comments and I will help you out. Also, I have already made so many videos on affirmations and even a guide on how to manifest in 24 hours. Check them out on my channel. And if you love self-improvement, I have 2 more channels. One is of nail art designs at Real Nails 4444 and one for shopping hacks and tips, that is Stylish Vibes 4444. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon because I am dropping more amazing content that you don't want to miss. And don't forget, now it's your cup of tea.